Need to factory reset your TP-Link Tapo C120? Whether you're troubleshooting, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or passing it to a new owner, a full reset takes less than 30 seconds. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate reset button. First, look for a small, silicone rubber cover on the right side panel of the camera. Carefully open this cover, and you'll find the microSD card slot and the reset button located next to it. Step 2. Perform factory reset. First, make sure the camera is powered on. Grab a paperclip, SIM ejector tool, or anything with a fine point. Hold the button for at least 5 seconds to reset the Wi-Fi settings. To restore the camera to full factory defaults, clearing all settings, press and hold the button for at least 10 seconds. Release the button once the camera's LED light starts flashing red rapidly. This indicates the reset was successful and the camera is ready to be set up again as a new device. If this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more TP-Link guides. Thanks for watching.